How to track referral bonuses on Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to track your referral bonuses on Uber Eats so you know exactly when your credits are coming in and how much you have earned. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap on invite friends. And this is where you shared your referral code, and it's also where you can track your bonuses. So here you'll see your referral history with a list of people you have invited, whether they have signed up or if their first order has qualified for your bonuses. So here it may take a few hours or days after the first order for your credit to appear. And here to see credits you have already earned, you just need to go back to your account and just tap on promotion or wallet, and your active referral credits will be listed here. And that's it. That's how you can track your referral bonuses on Uber Eats. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.